What's up guys, Lord Hazen here, back again with an app video where we count down the best 100 apps for this month. Before we get to it, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. The wallpaper app for this month is Elegant Worlds. This is a collection of hand-picked 4K Ultra HD wallpapers done in conjunction with Unsplash wallpapers. The app will by default launch into the Explore page where you are served with tons of different wallpapers. Here, you can tap on a wallpaper to preview its category, download it, or save it to your custom-made collections. The app also allows you to search for wallpaper, especially in categories, example, cars, geography, architecture, sports, road, etc. Tap on the collection button and you get to browse all the available categories in the app. Find a wallpaper that you like and setting it is pretty straightforward, and that's just about it. The only downside of the app is the ads served to you once in a while or frequently, but if you can look past that, Elegant Worlds is a great wallpaper app. The second app in the list is Time Arrow. Now, this is a different approach to a to-do list reminders and events app. Basically, it's a countdown day recording tool to help you manage important days such as anniversaries, birthdays, repayment dates, and so on. You get a life view where you can set various life events like graduation and anniversaries, etc. Year view where you can see how far the year has progressed and all the events of that year. Month view that shows you how much of the month has passed with all your monthly events. Weekly view for your weekly tasks, especially those that repeat themselves, and daily view for the tasks you have in your day. You can expand events in this visually appealing format, and setting of events is quite simple. It's a different approach to the whole Reminders app experience since, let's face it, most of them look similar these days. I particularly like how events are laid out in that analog clock manner. Find it in the description below. Selection is the next app on the list. This is for those times you're on a document or say website and you come across a snippet you'd want to refer to later on. It allows you to highlight the text and pin it to your notification center where you'll find it later on. With Selection, you just need to highlight the text, click Put in and see, and that's it. The downside to this app is that the trial version only allows you up to 15 selections and you have to upgrade to the Pro version if you want unlimited selections. If you want to revisit your selections, just open the app and they're clearly outlined there. From there, you can launch where you got the selection from, you can copy it, share it, or delete the selection. If you can't highlight to select the text, just type it in the app and it'll be automatically sent to your notification center. Link to selection in the description below. Mood Potatoes, as the name suggests, is a mood tracker. Think of it as a mental health diary. Frankly speaking, with everything that's going on around the world with lockdown in the mix, it's easy to lose track of oneself. The app helps you keep track of what makes you happy, what you're grateful for, track your mental health state, your daily habits and triggers, down to your routines. It tries to help you find the better version of yourself, be happier and more satisfied, reach a stable mental health state, and much more. And look, you get this personalized message when you first use the app. I should mention that consistency is key here. The app only guides you through your journey of being a better person, but does not change your life like some sort of life hack. Find Mood Potatoes in the description below. The fifth app on the list is Liquid Teardown. This is a fun one and does not do much in terms of functionality. The app gives you charging animations based on various phone internals. Pick a model you want for your charging animation, turn it on, plug in your phone to charge, and that's it. The developer does update the phones on a monthly basis, so you can rest assured that more and more models will hit the app. We're halfway down the list of this month's app, and if you're enjoying this video so far, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. While at it, hit that like button. Thank you. The sixth app is going to be Retropod. You probably caught on from the name, but if you haven't yet, this app is an iPod in your phone, the old school iPod. To put it in simple terms, it's a music player with the iPod layout. It even offers the interface and controls from the iPod. You even get the game. Talk about a throwback. Audio-wise, you can interface the app with your phone's equalizer if you want to juice up the music some more. Also, I think the app looks 10 times better in dark mode. If you want to take a trip down memory lane, find the link to Retropod down in the description below. Ever been in those times where you've got mad interest in a book, but you don't have the time to sit down and read through it cover to cover? Yes, the next option is picking the audiobook version of it to listen to it on the go. But what if it was possible to get the key insights of the book in minutes? Enter Storyshort. Download the app to discover a suite of relevant books which you can try out first before buying them if they're not free. Learn key insights of those books if you can't read them from start to finish. And Storyshort says that these resources are an easier and efficient way to learn on the go. Find a book you like and you can either read, listen, watch it. You've got features like marking as read, bookmarking, highlighting, starting a reading challenge, converting the book to PDF, downloading the book to read offline, comment, or even sharing the book with your friends. The trial version of the app gives you shorter insights to the book, while the pro version unlocks the long audio shots. No need to be a photographer or design pro anymore. With Photorom, you can turn your pictures into pro quality images in seconds. The app crops objects and people in your picture automatically, then allows you to merge that picture into a template to create anything you want, say a poster. So, pick a template you want, pick an image you want to edit, and in one tap, you remove the background and compose an image that showcases your product, show, story, or friend. You get additional image editing features like fixing the lighting, adding text or a logo, make collages, and many more. It's like having a whole photography and design studio in your pocket. Find the link to Photorom in the description below. Second to last, we have Niagara Launcher, and this is not at all a new app. In fact, I take it that some of you are watching this with Niagara Launcher running on your phone right now. If so, drop a comment below. It's made it to this list because it's finally come out of beta in a fully packed stable build. Niagara Launcher is for those of you looking for a minimalist, heavily customizable launcher. I particularly use it because it's easily usable, one-handed mode, and I love that easy scrolling through the app list, which for someone like me is quite important since I have tons of apps on my phone. It's quite convenient. The last app of this month is WithThat. This is a headphones preset app with over 2,000 headphone presets to fine-tune your audio listening experience. Open the app and go to import presets. Yeah? Search for the brand of headphones or earphones you have and import it. That's it. The app will then match that preset to your music for the best listening experience. Doesn't sound like much of a big deal since all you do with your headphones or earphones is plug and play, but the difference between Wavelet being on and off is worlds apart. The app also offers equalizer presets and a limiter for you to tinker around with to find the best fit for your music. Try it out in the link in the description below. That then brings us to a close of today's video. As always, find all the apps in this list down in the description below. Comment which apps you're going to be trying out. Hit that like button, it helps YouTube suggest this video to more and more people. Be great if you subscribe and share this video with your friends. Lord Hazen signing out. Peace.